In the Delavan-Darien School District, learning doesn't stop in the classroom. Through DD Tech and our Youth Apprenticeship programs, students are earning while they learn, gaining durable skills that will last a lifetime. This project represents the best of what education can be. Real-world learning, community partnerships, and students building something meaningful both literally and figuratively.
The Farmhouse Build showcases how our school to career pathways help students explore hands-on learning while building confidence, teamwork, and a foundation for success beyond graduation.
Work-based learning programs like Youth Apprenticeship allow students to apply classroom knowledge in the field, connecting with mentors, developing technical skills, and preparing for the workforce.
Our students aren't just learning about construction, they're living it. From framing walls to collaborating with contractors, they're gaining skills and experiences that cannot be replicated in a classroom.
Working with the students has been rewarding. It's really good to see their excitement and their improvement every day.
They ask great questions and they really want to learn. It's amazing seeing their work ethic.
We're proud to help supply product for this project, and we look at it as an investment in our community's future.
Working on this project made me realize this isn't just something I enjoy, it's what I want to do after graduation. Building something real, something that lasts, feels incredible.
I've learned how important teamwork and communication are on a job site, especially when we're working alongside real professionals.
The hands-on experience has taught me so much more than a textbook ever could. I'm learning skills I'll carry into my future.
As a marketing apprentice, I get to tell a story and show what DD Tech is all about, connecting what's built here to our community. This experience has given me clear vision for my future. I know this is the path I want to follow.
I'm excited to join the Farmhouse project, work alongside our business partners, and gain real-world experience that connects our learning to the Delavan-Darien community.
It's a great feeling to be part of something bigger than yourself and see what's possible when our schools and community work together.
Through Youth Apprenticeships, community partnerships, Delavan-Darien students have bright futures. One skill, one connection, and one project at a time.
We are not just building a farmhouse project, we are building the foundation for career, community, and life-ready skills.